Today in this video, we're going to talk about something many English learners dream about, speaking English fluently like a native speaker. We'll share some easy tips and discuss the common struggles learners face.
That's right. If you've always wanted to sound confident, natural, and fluent in English, this video is especially for you. We're going to explain how you can practice, what mindset to develop, and how to avoid common mistakes.
Altaf, the most common thing I hear from English learners is, I want to speak English fluently like a native speaker, but they don't know where to start. Do you think it's even possible to speak like a native?
Yes, I believe it is possible, but it takes time, effort, and the right method. Many learners think fluency means perfect grammar or a British or American accent. But fluency means speaking smoothly, confidently, and understanding the language in real-life situations.
That's so true. Some learners think that if they don't speak with an accent, they aren't fluent. But fluency is more about communication and less about perfection, isn't it?
Exactly. Let's begin by understanding what makes native speakers fluent. First, they think in English. They don't translate from their mother tongue. Second, they use common phrases, idioms, and sentence patterns naturally.
Thinking in English. That's a powerful tip. Many learners translate from their native language before they speak. That slows them down. If they train their mind to think in English directly, their fluency improves a lot.
One way to do this is by surrounding yourself with English. Listen to English podcasts, watch English shows, and try to understand without subtitles. When you hear English every day, your brain starts picking up patterns naturally.
Yes, and watching content with subtitles in the beginning is fine, but slowly you should try without them. Also, repeating phrases you hear can help your tongue get used to the pronunciation.
Let's talk about shadowing. It's a great technique. You listen to a native speaker and try to repeat what they say, exactly how they say it, at the same time. It's like training your mouth and ears together.
That's interesting. I've tried shadowing with YouTube videos and podcasts. At first it was hard, but with practice I improved. It helped with speed and pronunciation. Do you recommend any topics for shadowing?
Yes. Start with daily conversations like greetings, introductions, ordering food, or talking about hobbies. These are simple and useful in everyday life. Later, you can try speeches, interviews, and storytelling.
Some learners worry about grammar while speaking. They pause to think if a sentence is correct. How can they avoid that?
Grammar is important, but when you're speaking, fluency should come first. If you stop to think about grammar rules every time, your conversation won't flow. Practice speaking naturally first, then improve grammar gradually through listening and reading.
That makes sense. And speaking daily is the key. Even if you make mistakes, keep speaking. Practice makes you better. Talk to yourself, record your voice, and listen to how you sound.
That's a great point. Also, join speaking clubs or conversation groups online. Practice with others who are also learning. Don't be shy or afraid of making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes in the beginning.
Another challenge is vocabulary. Many learners say they don't know enough words to express themselves. How can they improve that?
Use the words you already know. Learn to say the same thing in simple ways. Also, learn 5 new words every day and use them in your sentences. Reading books, news, or even social media in English can help you learn new vocabulary in context.
Yes, context is important. If you learn a new word but don't use it, you'll forget it. Try to use new words in your own sentences. You can even keep a vocabulary notebook.
Good idea. And here's something important: pronunciation. Many learners want to sound like native speakers but struggle with pronunciation. What can they do?
They can start by listening carefully to how native speakers pronounce words. Use apps or websites that teach pronunciation. Also, break long words into syllables and practice them slowly. With time, it becomes easier.
Absolutely. Also, stress and intonation matter. Native speakers stress some words and use rising or falling tones in sentences. It adds natural rhythm. You can learn this by mimicking native speech.
Let's not forget confidence. Sometimes learners know English but still don't speak because they're scared of being judged. How can they overcome this fear?
Confidence comes with practice and positive mindset. Remind yourself that making mistakes is part of learning. No one will laugh at you. Most people will admire your effort.
I agree. Fluency is not about perfection, it's about communication. Speak with friends, practice in front of a mirror, and keep going. Don't compare yourself with others.
And finally, set goals. Say, I will speak for 10 minutes every day, or I will learn 20 new phrases this week. Small goals lead to big progress.
This video is for every learner who wants to sound natural and fluent in English. If you follow these tips regularly, you'll see improvement in just a few weeks.
That's right. Don't rush and don't give up. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep speaking. You can speak fluently like a native. It just takes time and practice.
So, what have we learned today?
We've learned that fluency doesn't mean perfection. It means confidence, daily practice, thinking in English, and speaking naturally. We talked about shadowing, building vocabulary, improving pronunciation, and staying confident.
Exactly. We hope this video motivates you to start your fluency journey today. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel English with Altaf for more helpful videos. Keep practicing and stay confident.
Take care and keep learning. See you in the next video.